Hey guys, Mike Hansel and Small Arms Pistol Academy. If you're new to the channel, make sure as always you do click subscribe, turn the alert notification on, leave us some comments. I'll try to get back to all of you guys in the comment section. What I want to talk to you guys about today though is the MR920 made by Shadow Systems. I am carrying it on me in appendix style right now. It's been my go-to EDC firearm for a while now. I have about 1,000 rounds through it, and what I wanted to do was actually just exaggerate utilizing that accelerator on the support hand so that I could engage two different targets. Now I do have a circle target, which is going to simulate just a human head, and then I have a 66% human silhouette target on the right. We're going to go for 2 rounds on that. Hopefully we can do it under 3 seconds, and we'll go for headshots on the human as well, just for giggles. All right, here we go. There we go, we're sitting at 287 right here. So it's not too bad. The targets are actually about 2 yards apart, and this is just a drill I like doing. It keeps your ammo count nice and low, and it's something that you can practice out there, especially when ammo is limited right now. Get out to the range, practice. Whether you have the Shadow Systems, you have a Glock, you have a SIG, I really don't care what firearm you have. Make sure you are spending time at the range practicing and getting out there. Leave those comments down below for us, guys. I appreciate it. Take care.